Lace fronts, hair waves, stick you.
What's up, my lowriders? It is Thursday morning. I barely picked up the camera yesterday because I really didn't do anything but make that wig, and I did finish it. And today I'm going with my friend. She's gonna go look for houses, and I love going and looking at the model homes. So she's looking to buy a house. I'm going with her to find the home of her dreams, okay? And that's about it. We probably go get a bite to eat. And she called me about an hour ago talking about she's gonna be here in 15 minutes. It's been an hour, and that's why I didn't rush. But with that being said, you guys, I will be vlogging when we're out and about looking at homes. Okay, you guys, we're in the car. I had to switch wings because that ear started balling up, y'all. So I put on my trusty. I can put ear. We're gonna go find my sister a house.
Damn right.
Here's Naive.
Damn right. Shit. That's right.
But first, we're gonna get something to eat.
No, we gonna look at one house or two first.
But, okay.
Once we start eating and drinking,
I'm about to eat your chips up.
Go ahead, I don't care. I'm gonna be tired.
Anyway, you guys, she's gonna be tired. Oh yeah, once she eats, you do.
I'm going down.
Y'all seen it before. This is my sleepy customer, the one that's always sleeping.
Then I might have a little eatable. If I have an eatable, you already know part of your sleep.
Oh, we gotta watch All Queen's Man.
Okay, I'm going down. My husband ain't home.
I either.
I'm gonna watch the Queen's Man.
Guys, both of our husbands drive trucks, so we're going from my home today. All right, y'all, I'll be back. What's up, my low riders? I am in my car. My husband told me about this thing at Circle K where they have, they're taking 35 cents off per gallon, but if you pay with cash, they take an additional 10%, which is 45 cents off per gallon for gas. So what am I doing? I'm going down there to see. Well, I asked the lady yesterday, and she said that was true. You got to be there at 4:57. So it is 4:22 now, and I'm headed there because it might be a line. I don't know. I don't know how many people know about it, but I am going there. And then I'm going to meet up with my son because he's going to get my oil change in my car. And that is that, you guys. Me and my friend did go looking at houses, but I didn't vlog because the place we went to was weird. You have to scan the little barcode thing, and then they're supposed to give you a code to go look at the houses. But the system was down, and we had to go in the office, and the lady only had time to take us to see one house. So with that being said, it was hot. I was like, I'm gonna just go home. So that's what happened. I came home, and now I'm going to get this gas. I don't seem to see a line for the gas yet. Hopefully, let me see. Or is that a line? I don't know, you guys. I don't know. We shall see, though. Let me drive. We'll see. Let me pull up. I gotta drive. I'm on this little busy road, but let me see. When I pull up, y'all pull up. Okay, we walking around Walmart until my oil change is done, and they got music playing in here, so I'm gonna turn this off real quick. But we're about to go get a deli sandwich or something. I'm a lyrical lover. No take me in no pill with my sex. When I'm a box, she says I'm Mr. Bro. The cheese and the for me out the rice and the love you the beat. Girl, you know I'm hooked on you.
Whoa, you know the drunken. Why you showing my titties on here? Damn.
Go put your bra on.
Don't say no shit like that.
He said titties.
No shit like
he
that,
said
right?
Titties.
What's wrong with you?
That's not the water I am the water.
You got different words in your vernacular, dog. Don't use that.
Your
no
chest
that
assist.
is your what? Vernacular. That's the fuck is vocabulary.
That? What's vernacular? T.I.?
No, that's dictionary. That's
like
my bad. I didn't mean to do that
from fucking ESPN.
You use that in a job interview, you'll get the fucking job. I'll tell you that.
You guys, it was so bright outside. Now look it.
It's
so dark and windy. It's gonna for sure storm.
Bring it on back here. We still on this camera.
Stay over there. She can get fucking shot.
Hi, world.
Shut up. You act like you want me to get shot.
I'm not gonna record storm no more.
Somebody was nibbling on her doorbell. That nigga thought he was like, wait till I spend the night downstairs. Catch his ass with his teeth out.
Is that dude walking around the complex?
Lightning
chewing on
strikes. I
doorbell?
need to holler at Zeus.
They
'cause
talking
he got
stuff
us
because
fucked
lightning
up.
hit my
Hit the
doorbell.
wrong house, buddy.
No, what happened was
Straight up.
And they know
there's a homeless man who walked around there.
they ain't no homeless people around there,
And
boy.
he chose next victim by chewing doorbells. He called the doorbell a chewer bandit. He going around chewing off shit, and then when they
Now Zeus is tripping. I'm gonna go holler at his ass too. Hit the wrong fucking door, pal. Nobody answered.
Look at all that
Realize it?
wind.
motherfucker. Wow, you put ER that word.
Yeah.
Good morning, my low riders. It is Friday, the 1st of September. Just not getting up. It was storming out here in Las Vegas again last night. So I was woke for a minute, then I went back to sleep, but I'm just not getting up. It's about 8 something. I'm going to get up and go mail these units off and do some cleaning around the house. And there was something else I had to do too. I'll get my September calendar together. Don't have much planned today, just plan on chilling. But I am going to get this content in for you guys, okay? So that's it. I'll be up and I'm sitting here vlogging with my my iPhone because my camera's downstairs. But yeah, I'm going to get that done. Hopefully it doesn't start storming again because I do not like driving in the rain. So with that being said, I'm going to get up, get myself together so I can get up and do all the stuff that I need to do today. Okay, guys, I done got up. Yeah, I got in the same shirt from yesterday because I'm about to clean up, and then I'll get in the shower and do all that I have to do outside the house. But I'm about to do this stuff right now, and let me show y'all what I'm working with. Yesterday, I did absolutely nothing. Water, more water, keys, lotion. Took my stocking cap off, unbraided my hair, and braided it back up. Haven't made my bed up yet. Feet was aching, so I used this massager on my feet. Got to put mail up. It's not really that much to do. Just make my bed up, take these wigs back in the beauty room. Let me see what's going on in this bathroom. There's really nothing to do in the bathroom either, you guys. Just take this stuff where I was doing my hair in here, then close this drawer. That's it for the bedroom. And let me see what's going on in this beauty room. Nothing really. Got to put these wigs up that I was going to wear yesterday. Put this hair up that I'm finished with. And this is the wig that I finished, you guys. No, the lace is not cut off. No, there's no baby hairs because I do not know what the client wants. However, I got to ship this wig off today. And I have to make another one that's 20 inches for a client. And I think she wants highlights. I think I have to call her and make sure. So all I have to do is mail her off. Ciao. Let me tell you about when I really don't feel like doing nothing. And I'm tired. Look at that. I got dishes that need to be washed. This kitchen is really not that bad. It's really not that bad at all. Let's see what's going on in this living room. Not bad, not bad. Just put my covers back. My stillage blanket back in the little ottoman. And I need to go to Big Lots to get the other sofa covers. I like the sofa colors, but you know what, the sofa covers. But the thing is, I didn't get the things that you stick down in the sides so they won't come loose like that. So I have to get that because I really like it because it brings all the blue and gray and white together. And yeah, that's that. Got to get it for the chair, the ottoman, and for this love seat. But other than that, you guys, open these blinds. You see my daddy over there. I love my daddy so much, and I miss him. I miss him so much, you guys. So that's basically all that I have to do today. And yeah, let me show you guys the doorbell. I was talking about my doorbell. Make sure it was raining again, you guys. My sons was calling me. Look at that. That's crazy. Because I came in the house. I was out here recording how bad it was raining. And my neighbors were outside looking and they said, as soon as you came in the house, we were like, what the heck was that? And it was like lightning struck your your doorbell. And I came. They said you came in the house right in time. I'm like, you would think the whole thing would be blown up. Anyway, you guys, I'm about to start doing this stuff. And I will get back at ya. Okay, guys, done with my room. Vacuum, dusted, gonna light a candle so it can smell good off up in here. Everything is done. Get this towel off of here. clean this mirror too. And this is not centered. Guys, I got this eyeglass case from Temu. Love it. Just love it, love it, love it. But anyway, you guys know all I have to do is tidy up the bathroom. That's not much like I showed you guys. Let me get to it. That's it for the bathroom. You guys, there wasn't that much to do in the beauty room other than put up the wigs that I be rummaging through when I'm trying to see which one I'm going to wear for the day. But that is it. So didn't really have that much to do in there. Okay, guys, there's no laundry to do. Laundry room is cool. Just finished the beauty room. There wasn't much to do in here either. But let me open these blinds because I like the daylight to come in. And I'm going to leave her sitting right there because she's about to get shipped off. Yep. You're going to your new home, sister girlfriend. Everything's done. Got everything off the desk. That on that. Wigs that was hanging around. Hung up. I need to have really do need to have a wig sale, you guys. Now, what I have to do is empty my trash can in my bedroom, and I'll be back, you guys. Okay, you guys got everything done. Gotta move this fan and this clothes rack and this box. But that's about it for upstairs. Kitchen done. Living room done. Whew. Tired now, you guys. But I guess I can make me some breakfast to eat. Or I should say brunch, because it is 12:15. Okay, guys, I just finished eating breakfast. I'm watching TV. And my son decided that he wants to come over and get his hair braided. So, excuse me. I'm going to braid his hair. Then get dressed. And do something to myself. Excuse me again. And I know I look toe back in these videos. In this video, I know I do. In this vlog, I should say. But I'm around the house cleaning up and everything. And I don't need a full set of makeup. I don't need no clothes on like that. I ain't got to be glamorous to clean the house. That ain't me. That's not what my channel's about. So, guess what? If you don't like it, then don't watch. But anywho, yeah, I got all my cleaning done and about to braid my son's in a few minutes. But I'm not going to vlog that because I did that last week or the week before. Yeah, something like that. But anyway. Oh, and then after that, I'm going to mail the wig off. Okay, I braided his hair. Of course, I didn't do it on camera. Just got to turn your head back this way, Nolan. Yep, done. Done, just big braids. Okay, guys, my son is driving the UPS. It's the least he could do after I did his hair. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Anyway, that's it. Run away to UPS, and I'm coming back home. Y'all still got the same stuff on. I ain't going to do nothing else today. I was going to wash my car, but as you guys can see, it is storming out here again. And it was just so shiny and bright yesterday. So with that being said, I'm going to go home. I'm going to take a bath. I'm going to chill. And I know what I'm going to have for dinner. I want to have sandwiches and chips and a soda, something simple. Look at you guys. It's flooding. That you blew up. Put it down so they ain't gonna splash. They going slow. Oh my goodness.
It's time to buy some fucking cookies and make them in the oven.
I'm so glad I had my son take me to UPS. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh my goodness. That is crazy. Wow. Oh, you just want to splash?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Wow. Whoa.
Hold on. Something right
What
there.
is going? Oh. Hey, you sure you be going through this shit?
I just seen something busted over there.
Oh, that water look kind of deep, Nolan. I don't think we should try because I don't want to. I don't care if you are in the truck. Back up. We ain't about to do this because I don't want to step in all that dirty water. Oh my goodness, you guys. That is crazy. Oh no, we don't know how deep that is. Absolutely not. He said, Nope. Wow.
It looks like their house gonna flood.
Yeah, it does. Ooh, wait, did it go in the garage? No, because it's a little hill.
No, but if it gets higher, it's been going into that
Ooh,
car's
and that car's mufflers. It was just like 100 degrees yesterday and clear. The hell
Look,
is...
I'm not complaining about nothing.
I'm glad that it's cool, but that right there is crazy. It's almost like... Okay, let's see. Don't hand them by my house, that's for sure. Okay, no flooding. Is that sandbags? Okay, he got sandbags right there behind his car. Okay, you guys, so what's going on down by the park?
Nothing. Over there. Just
Okay, my low riders, you guys cleaned with me. You cleaned my room with me, straightened my bathroom, you did the dishes with me, my beauty room. What else? Watched a little bit of me doing my son's hair. You went to UPS with me and you saw it flooding in Las Vegas. If you went through the whole video and saw all that with me, you basically spent the day with me. So I just want to say thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. That's if you haven't subscribed already. If you've already subscribed, you're already a lowrider. Okay, so I'm about to end this video right now. This is my Thursday and Friday. I don't know if I'm even going to vlog on Saturday and Sunday because I don't know. I know I work all day and I don't feel like vlogging more hairstyles. So I don't know, you guys. We shall see. Yeah. Thanks for watching.